In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print project lists on QuickBooks Online. If you manage jobs or clients in QuickBooks Online, the projects area keeps everything organized, and sometimes you need a clean printed list to share in a meeting or file for records. I'll walk you through how to open that list and send it to the printer in just a few clicks. Start by opening QuickBooks Online in your browser and signing into your company. On the main screen, look toward the top menu for the Projects option and select it. Depending on your layout, you may also see Projects in the left side panel. If you do, go ahead and click Projects there. Either path takes you to the same place. You'll land on the Projects overview, where you can see your project list in one view. This page shows each project and key details at a glance, so you can confirm you're looking at the right information before you print. Take a moment to scan the list on screen. What you see here is what your printout will reflect. When you're ready, look to the upper right corner of the page. You'll find a small printer icon. That's the print command for this view. Click the printer icon and your browser's print preview window will open. In the print preview, choose your destination. Pick the physical printer you want to use or select a virtual destination if you need a digital copy, such as saving to a PDF. Make sure the correct pages are selected and that the preview looks the way you expect. If your organization uses letter or A4 paper, confirm the size matches to avoid cut-off edges. Once your destination and settings are set, proceed and click Print. The job will be sent to your chosen destination and your project list will begin printing. That's all there is to it. Open QuickBooks Online, head to Projects from the top menu or the left panel, use the printer icon at the top right, choose where to print, and then click Print. If your print window doesn't appear, check your browser's pop-up settings and try again. And if you're sharing digitally, selecting a PDF destination gives you a clean copy to email or store. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you quickly print your project lists from QuickBooks Online.